tomorrow's a special day. It's whose birthday?
Papa.
His papa's birthday, his dad's birthday. So we decided to add a little bit more of a gesture, and we're gonna be baking a cake, an easy bake cake. So literally, there's like a few ingredients. You got like water, oil, eggs, and we're adding these deliciousness, raisins and carrots. We're gonna be topping it off with a cream cheese frosting. Yum, yum, right?
Yum, yum, yeah.
Yeah. And easy bake. Let's get going with who?
Nancy.
With Noxie. All right, let's get going. This is Andrea, and in this video, I'm gonna show you how to 2018 Chevy Trax LT. Put it in here. Yummy.
It's a volcano.
A volcano?
There you
Okay.
go. And no more.
No more?
No more.
Put some raisins.
Have us raisins.
Put them all there, okay? Oops, sorry, honey.
I got it.
Some carrots.
I want the carrots. Those are yours.
There you
I
go.
want carrots.
Yay. Thank you. Now let's crack one egg.
Crack an egg. I got it.
No. Like this, watch. Bam.
It's a yellow.
Yummy.
I want to do this.
You want to do it? Now your turn. Good job.
My hand.
What's wrong?
I don't wash your hands.
You want to wash your hands? You got a little egg yolk on your finger?
The finger.
Oh my goodness. That's okay.
No, Mama.
1 cup
1 cup.
and then 1/4.
There you go.
So we're going to be moving this.
Yeah.
Hopefully it turns out good. You think it's going to turn out good?
Yeah.
I think so too.
I think so.
Do you love like carrot cake? Oh, by the way, we're actually going
I got water.
You like water? I don't have the cake that we're actually going to be baking. It's a carrot cake, as you guys see with the ingredients. I personally love it, and I love the fact that it's super easy to make. I mean, it's not rocket science. I know it's harder probably if you make it from scratch, but we're not, so it works out. Now, we're also going to be using this pan. It's not going to stick, so you don't need to put any like cooking spray or baking spray. So we're going to be using this to do it. Let's put it in the thing here.
That's here.
This bowl is super heavy.
This is heavy.
Yeah, I thought I was going to like be able to like raise it up so it would be easier,
Is it up?
but it is heavy.
Is it heavy?
Yep, so we're just going to scoop it out.
Shoot it out.
Let me try to do it this way, because it's going to be messy.
And make them messy.
Thank you. All of it. All of it, okay?
And no more.
No, there's more.
You know what?
Yeah, do it all. Okay, so now we're gonna turn our oven 350 and we're gonna cook it for 30 to 34 minutes and we should be having a cake. Okay, so right now we are waiting on the cake. Are you excited? Are you excited?
Yeah.
We're actually gonna be showing you guys like the party tomorrow and it's gonna be a nice one. We're gonna be making tacos. We actually have a taco business, taco. Yeah, we do tacos, right, Papa?
Yeah, make tacos.
We make tacos. It's called Taqueria Grill. If you guys ever want us to cater your event or your party, we do baby showers, we do bridal showers, weddings, we've done weddings, graduation parties is really common. Basically, you name it. Any party you want, we're gonna be coming to your party. And 3 unlimited hours of tacos. We bring everything such as like the plates, the forks, everything needed for the taco we will bring. All the garnishes, all of that stuff. So we're gonna be doing that for Justin's birthday tomorrow. So maybe I'll show you guys a video of it. And so yeah, so maybe if you guys want, we can make you, give you more information. I'll leave the email that you guys can email us or call us. I'll put it in the description box. And yep, let the summer begin. Woo, tacos!
It's Naxa's birthday.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday.